This is Jonathan. 12 years ago, his dream was to open his own Mexican restaurant.
Mexican food here was very appreciated. They maybe open one, but I wanted a restaurant.
After years of hard work, his dream came true. This is La Loteria, Mexican street food.
I am Jonathan. I am owner and CEO from La Loteria. We are located at 1011 Granville Street in downtown Vancouver. Why La Loteria? It's a very traditional Mexican game. Everyone gets around it, so it's a very family thing that represents the Mexican culture.
Hello!
Hey, how are you?
Have a little budget of $25 and see what we can get for 25 bucks. All right, let's go over it. This is your tissue, isn't it?
Right, some of the menus.
I thought it was a paper towel. I'm so sorry. It's like my first time here, so I thought that was a paper towel. These people right here are so nice. They're so welcoming. Well, this place is really nice. You guys should check it out, definitely. It's just about over $25, $26.25. It's actually not bad. Of all the orders that you're getting, we got our food, so we're gonna give it a try. So this one is La Chicharrada. It's like pork belly and tortas, I guess? But you got like a guacamole inside this. It looks really good. Salute! Mmm. It's crunching. Mmm. This was really good. I love this pork belly. So that was the La Chicharrada. That was really good. And we got ourselves some tamales. They're actually wrapped in a corn skin. So if you can look at inside, you don't eat this, but you eat the inside. The inside looks like this. It's got beans inside, and it's very soft. Not flaky, but soft. That was really good. So we're gonna go try the tortilla, which is right here. I hope it's in focus so you can see the chicken inside. And there is tomatoes, there's coleslaw. Woo! Good. This is like perfect lunch for summer. And if you add like a soft drink at your preference, cerveza for my preference, but we can't actually drink right now here on the streets. All right, so basically we tried all that we have here on the receipt. And all I can say is actually, it's really, really good. You gotta try it yourself. Don't take it from me, but you gotta try it yourself and see.
I came to Vancouver in 2009. Came just like with 1 year work permit. I saw that Mexican food here was very appreciated. One day maybe open one that it has like that Monterrey feel. I wasn't sure I was gonna get here. There was like a point that you feel I just gonna do something else. But the opportunity came up, do it, and let's take advantage of all this experience that I went through. So
there you have it. It does open up today, so make sure you guys visit here. The La Loteria. It's the fresh Mexican street food. And before I leave, I just want to ask you a question. Do you have any inspirational words for those who wants to follow your footsteps? Maybe down the road they want to open up their own restaurant as well too.
Well, thanks for visiting, and just follow your dreams, stick to it, don't give up, be grateful, be thankful. One day you'll open up, you'll wake up, and the dream will be there.
Oh, definitely. That's a good inspirational words for me as well too. And hope you guys like the video. Comment if you guys like it. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.
Thank you.